In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys some of the juiciest and best news that you will not hear anywhere else, as well as giving you Shiba Inu price analysis and SHIB prediction. Make sure you watch until the end of the video because this one is fire. Hi there, my name is Nathan and welcome to CASHIFY, the #1 channel on YouTube dedicated to giving you high-quality content and high-quality cryptocurrency information. Also, we're giving away $300 at the end of the month to a random subscriber to start them on their crypto journey. To enter, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment your favorite crypto coin in the comments section down below. The amazing of cryptocurrency got even better with the arrival of Shiba Inu. Now among the top 30 or so cryptocurrencies in the world, its staying power is a testament to the might of memes, the contagious nature of investor groupthink, and the cuteness of fluffy dogs. But is the coin that billed itself as the Dogecoin killer a legit crypto investment opportunity now that it boasts more than 550,000 users? There's a lot to consider before you can answer that question. Launched in August 2020 by an anonymous person going by the name 𝗦𝗲𝗰𝗿𝗲𝘁𝘀, Shiba Inu was a challenge to Dogecoin from the very beginning. Its mascot, the coin's namesake breed of Japanese dog, is also the mascot of Dogecoin, which itself was started as a joke based on a viral canine internet meme. Shiba Inu has recently been in the news a lot because it looks likely that the coin will be added to Robinhood in the near future. Make sure you watch until the end of the video to find out the full story. SHIB price explodes as Shiba Inu Robinhood listing rumors swell. It was a matter of time until Shiba Inu noted upward price momentum. Although it may have taken a bit longer than expected, the current momentum seems rather solid. As a result, community members are very excited about where things may head next, although caution remains advised. While it has been brewing for a while now, the SHIB price is moving up again. A substantial price increase is visible on the charts in the past 36 hours, confirming demand is picking up for this asset. Shiba Inu is still a very popular asset with a strong community, although that doesn't always result in a noteworthy price increase. With a 32% price increase in the bag, the community is rather excited about the prospects. It is worth noting SHIB has over $2.5 billion in trading volume too, which is rather impressive considering it has a $4.33 billion market cap. If this trend keeps up, surpassing $5 billion is well within reach for Shiba Inu and its community. One of the exciting developments is how Coinbase is a prominent source for SHIB trading. The asset is the strongest gainer on the platform in the past day, beating Mask Network, Avalanche, and others. Despite the surprising momentum for Shiba Inu, there is a certain degree of hype and FOMO surrounding this project. Speaking of Coinbase, most users note a strong buy sentiment towards Shiba Inu. With over 98% buy support, the current market momentum may continue for a while to come. Coinbase users have always been bullish on SHIB for various reasons, and it seems that trend continues today. Therefore, bullish sentiment is crucial during this part of the uptrend. Following this recent price trend, there is some wild speculation as to where the SHIB price will head next. On Reddit, an exciting post confirms Shiba Inu will go back to the previous highs in the coming weeks. Certainly possible, although SHIB needs to get past $0 before looking any further. That target is not unlikely, although it will serve as psychological resistance of sorts. Is Robinhood listing Shiba Inu? One of the critical talking points among community members is which platform will be the next to list SHIB. After Coinbase and Binance, a listing on Robinhood can prove rather beneficial. While nothing has been made official yet, there is a chance the company will do exactly that. If and when that will happen remains unclear, although it would be in Robinhood's best interest to give the people what they want. Currently, Shiba is up 4.4% in the past 24 hours and is up 15.7% in the past 7 days. It also currently has a market cap of $4.2 billion. Shiba has had a trading volume of $564,058,928 in the past 24 hours. Shiba Inu is looking very bullish at the moment, especially with all of the Robinhood news going around at the moment. Shiba Inu is also very trending on lots of social media and looks likely to hit 1 million followers on Twitter in the very near future. The coin is also 10th on Lunar Crush for the most popular cryptocurrencies in the past 7 days. Shiba Inu has also been going up and gaining lots of attention recently because of the recent Coinbase listing. This led to the coin having a spike increase that peaked at 30% gains. Although this led to lots of people taking profit and cashing out, it also led to lots of new Shiba Inu holders and is good for the coin long term. If you want to learn more about how Shiba Inu could hit 10 cents soon, then check out the video on screen now. You won't be disappointed. Before we finish today, it would be massively appreciated if you could drop a like on the video and let me know what you learned in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end of the video.